Hello everyone, and welcome to the official Coding Club Python for Beginners YouTube course. I will be your host, Jacopo, and during this course, you will go from having zero or very limited knowledge of Python to gaining proficiency and being able to write a variety of programs. This is episode 0 of the course. We will be setting up a development environment, downloading Python, downloading IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and yeah, set up for the following videos. So first thing you want to do is go on your browser of choice and we'll download Python. Quite simple, just go on Python. You can go on the official website, which will probably be the first result. Click on downloads up at the bar at the top. And here there's this big yellow button. This will probably be for the operating system you're on. I'm on Windows right now. If this does not say the operating system you're on, just press your operating system here and download it from there. But for now, I'll just be downloading it here. You can save that, you can run it, and important thing to add is add python.exe to path here at the bottom, and from there you can just install now. I will come back to you when this is done. Python installation, you can just hit close, and you have Python on your computer now. So next thing you want to do is get a IDE, which is an integrated development environment to use. This is where you'll be coding basically everything. And my personal preference is Visual Studio Code. It's quite nice for Python, and it also supports a variety of other languages. But if you have another preference, you can just go ahead and skip this section and use whatever you have. I'll just be downloading Visual Studio Code here. So you can just search out VS Code. First link probably will be Visual Studio Code. You can hit download for Windows or for your operating system, which will probably show up here. If it doesn't, once again, just hit the arrow and hit the stable download next to the operating system you're using. So here you can download it and run the installation. You can go ahead and agree, next, and just go and download this. You can keep these all as default. You can choose if you want to create a desktop icon, I will, and go through with that. Okay, now that it's completed, we can launch Visual Studio Code. This is how it should show up once you've opened it, and right here you can choose from the default color themes. I'll just be going for the dark modern. You can browse more color themes if you want to find one you enjoy more, but I'll just be using this one for the duration of the course. Now you can close the welcome tab. If you go right in this tab on the bottom of the sidebar, extensions. An extension we need right now is Python, which is necessary to run our Python code. You can hit install. Now that that's done, it'll open up this sort of tutorial screen. You can hit create Python file right here and close the tutorial screen. We'll be writing our first little program here just to see if everything is working as intended. So just follow me to write this. You have to write print. Oh, sorry, no space at the beginning. Print, open parenthesis, open quotation mark, hello world. Alright, now we can press the run button here in the top right, run Python file. This will pull up your file explorer, asks you where you want to save the file. Once you've saved the file, you should see that it runs hello world right here at the bottom. And if you have that working, then everything is working as intended. If you don't have that working, you might have to troubleshoot a little, do some research online. I'm sure you'll find the cause of your issues. And, well, see you next episode.